Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. This is the video number 5 for our trading series, and this video is extremely important because it's connect directly to the video 6 also. Today video is not a strategy video. Today we are focusing on something far more important, a trading checklist. This checklist is designed to be used before every trade to help you stay disciplined, control your emotions, and trade with clarity instead of confusion. Think of this checklist as a structured trading journal, not just writing trader downs, but tracking your decision, mindset, execution, and mistakes. Because most traders don't fail because of bad strategy, they fail because of lack of discipline, poor habits, and emotional decisions. In this video I will show you what this trading checklist is, how to use it in your daily trading routine, and what is the steps, how it's help you become consistent over time, and how it slowly build the mindset of a professional trader. Then in the next video I will go one step further and explain in detail what Profirm and how Profirm account work, how you can buy Profirm account safely, and how professional traders manage and trade multiple accounts at the same time. If you are serious about taking your trading journey to the next level, this video is a must watch, and the next one is even more important, because without discipline and process no strategy work long term. So let's get started. Before that, if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it. So why I make this checklist video on this series? Why? Because most of you cannot afford to pay the expensive website checklist. There is many website like Zahoor for your trading histories and like that. So this is a very simple one. If you are using laptop, you can use directly untitled document and write down your all things, or you can directly put on TradingView itself on simple your things here. Or if you are using just mobile, in mobile there is option for notes, you can write down these things all. Okay, so in trading journal, what is the first thing what I am using? I will show you exactly the same thing. The first thing I put in my trading journal is the date when I am going to the trade, like today 27. So like this I will put my date on it. And the second is read checklist daily. Okay, what is that? In same notes I put in same notes I have another option. I have another full notes that I put on alarm before I took my trade, like for example 9:30 Eastern Standard Time of New York, there is the market open where I was in the front of screen, right? So on 9:20 I put alarm with the label read your daily checklist. And what is that my daily checklist look like is simply I write my emotions, I write what is my aim, like no need to take risk more than 1%, find the daily candle where it's going, find the nearest liquidity level, see where is price daily open, below or up, see the price of 8 a.m. 9 a.m. see in 5 minutes, see session liquidity, mark previous day high and low, and also some emotional thing like you only need 6 trade in a 20 trading days in a month. Think once you have a 200k, the things will be different. Like this I create one checklist on based of my emotions, on based of my mistake, so I can focus on that particular day, so I do not follow the wrong path in the trading, so it can make the wrong trade decision for this. So make sure you have that checklist ready and put alarm, like anytime you take trade, before that trade 20 minutes before, you should read that checklist and write down the things which make you trouble during your trading journey. Okay, so once you read it, you must write yes or no, and if you put no, I will tell you in this checklist that next time you should not make the same mistake over and over again. Okay, the thing is third one is you have to write your strategy, like you are if for working on 5 EMA, or you are working on order block, or you are working on supply demand, whatever your strategy, you have to write out that one. And once you done the trade, you have to write that yes or no, that I follow my strategy or no. Like sometime what happened, you didn't find the trade on one strategy, you jump into another one, you are seeing multiple things in the chart, so you jump over and over on different strategies, so it's make you trouble for that. So you have to write this thing down. Okay, then you have to write your time frame as well, that you are, if your strategy is on 1 minute or 1 hour, so you have to write down these things, that you are follow your time frame as well. The next important part is the asset class. Like my asset is the NAS 100, so I wrote down the asset NAS 100. So if I trade only in asset NAS 100 based on my back testing, so I put yes. Not like that if I don't find the trade in NAS 100, so I jump into the gold. Not like that. If you don't follow, just write the no in and mark the red. Okay, the next point is the risk follow. What is that risk follow? As I told you in my checklist, there is mentioned 1% risk. So if I write here as well risk 1% follow, then yes, mean after 1% lose, even I got a best opportunities, even I got a A+++ setup, but I will off the screen, I shut off the screen, whatever. So after market done, once I lose 1%. Okay, so you have to follow this. If not, then you have to put no. Okay, then reward. What does it mean? That if you got a profit like in dollars, you have to write that one simply, and if you lose, you have to write like minus 100 or whatever the loss you did. Okay, what is the that one? Then you can put win or loss or break even. Okay, so you have to write that one today: win, loss, or break even. Okay, whatever the outcome after you took the trade. Okay, the most important point, new mistake. Okay, so you have to write any mistake you did on this day, new one. Okay, so have to write down this mistake here very quickly. Then the next point is the previous. Okay, excuse me for my English and my spellings. Repeated. Okay, so you have to write these two important points, the new mistake. Okay, and these mistake what you did should not be repeated next day. Okay, should not be repeated next day. So always these should come no, then only you improve as a trader. You have to mind this thing. If you did this, you are done. Okay, the last but not least in my trading sheets is summary. You have to write down the all things what you did in the trading hours. Like you find it's bullish, you take the trade on fair value gap, or blah blah blah, whatever this you did in that one, you have to do. Now first day once you take the trade, second day the most focus point is the risk follow. You have to be there, you have to be in the mind that I only follow my risk, I will not go beyond on this risk percentage or the number of dollars. And the second thing, new mistake what you did should not be repeated on the next day. See, the most important point is once you start avoiding the mistake which you did previously, it can be revenge trading, it can be oversizing, it can be anything. So once you control on it, you will see the result tremendously change for you. Believe me, you have to follow this one. I don't need your money, I am not selling here anything. You can see my Hindi channel, it's from 2021. I never sell a course, I never tell anyone to give me a money, never I tell go there and go here. I never need your money. What I need only the message in the comment, okay, or email to me that sir I did it. That's only thing I need from you. I don't need anything from anyone. And before, I also teach persons the Amazon, and not all but 1-2 persons are successful, and I am happy for them, and they are making thousands of dollars on weekly basis on from that particular setup. So in trading, I want only this from you, that you just message we did it. Yes sir, we did it. We control our emotions and we did what we want. Maybe you are a student, that will be great for you. Maybe you are an old guy, maybe you are students, maybe you are a 9 to 5 job guy. So it doesn't matter. Once you did it, just message me. That make me happy. This is a very simple and a very budget friendly free checklist for you, which I give you. You have to follow this one before you're going to follow these strategies or trading journey. If you don't have an aim, you have not in a business, you are a gambling, totally gambling. You should have an aim for like after 6 months I have to be reach the level of to buy the 100k or 200k account, and after 1 year should be I am earning from trading is a 4% or 2% of 200k account, this much. You should have the proper plan, step by step. This will be not this market will not give you overnight any money. If you really make overnight one day, the second day you will also lose that one, and also the you saved one. So you have to be very consistent and disciplined. So discipline only come once you create a proper journal for checklist and these type of things. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. And the next video also important, the last video of this series. And if you didn't watch my previous one, you can watch the previous videos as well. I will give you the link in the description. So until next time, be safe.